We are excited to announce the next evolution of our Signature Series Plus systems and the release of our Industrial Series Plus system. Now these units are going to be equipped with our electric motor heatsink. And what this does, this drops the internal motor temps by up to 20 degrees, extending the life of our already proven million-mile motor. Now for those of you that already have a FASS system, yes, this can be retrofitted to your system. If you have a Titanium Series, our Titanium Signature Series, Signature Series Plus, Industrial Series, and our Competition Series systems. Moving forward, all Signature Series Plus systems are going to be equipped with our electric motor heatsink, along with the Industrial Series Plus systems, and the standard Industrial Series systems will be discontinued. Now for more information, check them out at fastride.com.